concept, whatever. I just came up with that. All right, so first things first, this is a trade I taken today. And one thing that I noticed was I noticed a sweep of liquidity right here. So I'd seen this high, this order block get swept out right here. I said, okay, it's go time. So I wait for my bearish confirmation. Then I just entered in the trade, going for 1-to-1 R. And that was for about 160 pips right here as well, too. So that was pretty decent move. And then right here, same thing again. I saw a sweep of liquidity once again. Once I seen a sweep of liquidity plus my bullish confirmations. And just look at this candle right here as well, too. This candle right here just tells you everything. Let me zoom in on it so you can really see. Nice bullish rejection candle. And once I noticed that, I said, oh, yeah, it's go time once again. So bullish confirmations, sweep of liquidity, it's go time. Get my 1-to-1, I'm chilling. Let me show you this one right here. Oops. Gotta go all the way over here. If I reset the chart view, that would have been sad. So another thing that I noticed, another sweep in liquidity. This candle came up very impulsive, and I knew it was pure manipulation once I seen this candle right here. I said, okay, it's go time. Once I noticed that candle, I said, okay, it's go time. Like I say, it's always go time. Once you see your confirmations, once you see your confluences, it's go time. You should not hesitate to take a trade. You have a trading plan for a reason. You have a trading plan for a reason. And look what happened on this trade. 1R, and even melted all the way down to these lows right here. So it even cleared out even more liquidity down here. That's the beauty of this trade, beauty of these setups too. Now this one almost hit stop loss. And if you look at my recent video, my big money trading Instagram page, when your price is near your stop loss and everything, you would definitely have a good laugh looking at this one right here. This one got extremely close to my stop loss. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna show you. Got extremely close. It was probably like a few ticks off, just by a few, like almost less than half a pip. I was like, oh yeah, it's probably gonna lose if you got up all the way there. But what happened? I trusted my analysis. I said, you know what? I'm gonna let you do your thing today, market. So what did I let the market do? Its thing, you know. And look, got my 1R right here. Plus, I held it just for a little bit longer and got me 2.73 R. And once I got that, I got out the trade. Pretty solid day. Now, let me show you all some other trades that I've taken as well, too. And sent as well. So I sent this trade to my signals channel. It was a trade with GBP JPY. And for this one right here, it was off of an order block, and we placed the limit order. We did a buy limit on this trade right here. Pretty decent results. Got our 1R, got them to 1R. And I know they're pretty happy for the day. And also yesterday with GJ2, I've taken this trade right here. Same thing again. Order block. We see a nice little break of structure just a little bit, breaking past this swing high in the 5-minute time frame. And once I noticed that, I said, okay, it's go time. I also have my other confluences as well is telling me to enter the trade. See, trading is all about really trusting your analysis, trusting your trading intuition, and executing efficiently every single time. You have no choice but to. You have no choice. I promise you have no choice. You must execute every single trade flawlessly. All right, now let's take a look at Odd USD. Now with Odd USD, I had a trade this morning. And then I had a trade this morning. It went up to 1R. I had a runner on this trade right here as well too. And when I had the runner, I had my runner going up all the way up here to where liquidity is at the top. But what happened? I got my 1R and I let my runner entry get hit at break even. And I was just like, that's fine. I'm chill. And then from there, price did a sweep diddy on me. In a 5 minute, did a pure sweep diddy, swept the goodness out of this order block. Once it swept the goodness out of this order block, I already knew it was time. It was time. I was just like, well, it's all good. And then I just watched the market just go straight up to my take profit area, but that's okay. You know why? Because we have to trust our analysis at all times. Now, let me show you all the USD. Now, this one right here was another sweep of liquidity, aka sweep Diddy times 2. So I saw the sweep of the lows. Once I seen the sweep, I said, okay, it's go time. I got my bullish confirmation. It's time to go. It's time. I have no choice. No choice. Got my 1R, and then a news event came, and then the market just got messed up after that for like a quick second. So got my 1R, got my partials before the news event came. I was chill. And then after that, it gets even better. I send this trade to my traders. Oops, we go all the way back over here. I send this trade to my traders, and I send this trade to my VIP group, signals, and everything, whatnot. And if you have any questions about that, definitely send me a DM. I'll get you in there. So, got this trade right here. Good 1R for them, and then price just reversed, and then went straight back down for even more R. Swept this order block, did a sweep diddy, and it just went right back up. I'm telling you all, this strategy is very powerful, but if you want to learn it, you know exactly where to go to. Liquidity has been swept, bullish confirmations, it's go time. That's how trading is all the time. Just look at the market, just take a look. Price action this month, I'm not gonna lie, has been pretty sad. It's been pretty sad looking at price action with the USD pairs. Not gonna lie. But hey, it's all about making the best out of the market and whatever's going on. Now, this right here was also another clean setup. Nice sweep of liquidity, wiped out liquidity, bearish confirmations. It's time to take the trade. Literally, it's just time to take the trade. That's all I can say with Euro USD right here. This was a very good sweep diddy trade right here. Definitely great confirmations. Price did melt all the way down to, I believe, let's see how far it went. Oh, it didn't really go down too far. It went down to like right here. Tested with this order block, and then went right back up. Now, this one right here was a great trade that I taken as well too. This was for 7R. And what this right here was it's another sweep diddy. I'm not gonna lie. Sweep diddy, I'm just be honest with you all. Strategy's golden. It's a golden strategy. It's pretty crazy. Nice sweep of liquidity, wiped out liquidity. It's just like playing Uno. Reverse it back to me. 7R. There's confirmations, you take the trade. That's what it's all about. It's just executing what you need to execute each and every single time. Because if you don't, you're just gonna be really sad. You're like, oh my gosh, I should have executed. I should have executed this trade. I should have, you don't want to be a sad guy. I promise you. You don't want to be a sad guy when you're trading. I promise you, you don't want to be a sad guy when you're trading. Now, this trade right here, you're probably looking at it, it's still going. This is off of a 15-minute order block. I just literally paper traded this. I'm going to be completely honest. I didn't even take this trade. I just paper traded. It looked pretty good. I said, ooh, it's looking pretty sweet. So I just threw it on here and look at the reaction. This is what happens when you're trading the big money way. Get a nice order block. Even swept liquidity out. It did a sweep diddy, tapping into an order block at the same time. Like, that is insane. That's textbook. You can't even lie. That is textbook right there. That is textbook. I can't even. I can't even lie. I'm gonna be honest. I just am so just wowed by that. I'm not gonna lie. And then this one right here, this trade right here with gold, I taken this. I'm gonna show you all. Well, watch the price action. Watch the price action. I'm gonna show y'all something really cool. Watch this. I'm gonna click play, and you're gonna see the most craziest thing ever. Boom. Gold is super volatile. Super volatile. But one thing that I noticed right here was it was a nice support right here. Nice support, nice rejections. And once I noticed this bullish confirmation, I said, okay, it's go time. It's tapping off the support. It's getting good rejections. Candles are just looking like greatness. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go for my 1-to-1. I got my 1-to-1, got out the market. Simple. That's all I needed off my support right here. Support and resistances, very simple. You just got to take the trade. You just got to execute. That's all you have to do. The more you execute off of the trades that you're supposed to take off of your trading plan, the more likely you're going to see success. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I promise you. No ifs, ands, or buts. Just take a look at what's going on. What else? Other trades I got with gold. Oops. I hate when TradingView does that sometimes. I'm like, come on, man. This was off of a 15-minute right here. 15-minute sweep. I noticed a sweep right here. Sweep of these highs right here. And once I noticed that sweep, pure wiping out liquidity, great rejections, I said, oh, yeah, I'm going for that 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. It was beautiful. It was textbook trade. Got my 1-to-1, and now I was honestly good to go. I was chilling for the day. I'm not going to lie. Chilling for the day. So definitely my recommendation is to all traders, stick to your trading plan. Stick to your trading plan and use good risk management and find ways to increase your mental capital. And what I mean by that is look at ways to make yourself a more confident trader. Because the more confident you are, you're going to be like Stephen Curry from the three-point range. That's how I trade. I'm going to just throw it up. I know what I got to do. I know exactly my release and my form. I'm going to do exactly what I got to do every single time, regardless of the result. But other than that, that pretty much sums up the live trading breakdown for the week. I hope you all learned something. I hope you all are like, okay, this is pretty good. This is pretty neat. Definitely want to learn more. Tap into the link below. And also like, comment, subscribe, share this. Definitely. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to DM me on Instagram. Please DM me on Instagram, Telegram, wherever the case may be. Feel free to DM me because your trading breakthrough is right around the corner.